Welcome to Explore Home Repeat. My name is Matt.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we are here at Waddesdon Manor in Buckinghamshire to go to their Christmas event. Illuminations across the house, a huge, great big market. Really excited to come here. We came here last year, but the house wasn't open.
No, it wasn't. So this time we've got our little one.
Yeah.
And we're going to go look around the house, so exciting.
Yeah, so we've got our house first, then we can have a look around all the market area, and then there's a great big kind of illuminated sort of festive walk all the way around the grounds. So we're just going to show you what it's like, if it's worth coming, and if it's worth the ticket price. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. We do day out reviews all across the country. Right, you ready to explore?
Let's go!
So we're just about to go into the house to see the Christmas decorations.
Yeah, I'm very excited. There's a bit of a queue, as you can see.
The house is completely sold out today. So today is the very first day that this whole kind of Christmas festival illuminations is open. And the house is sold out. You can still get into the grounds and do the sort of the walk and everything. But yeah, house all sold out. What is strange this year is they've changed the route through the house.
Yes, it feels like disorientating.
So many years we've walked the same route through the house, and this now is completely different. Every single one of these trees is different. And I think they actually import these trees from Norway. When we've been here previous years, they always said that. So I guess they perhaps still do. But they are the most perfectly shaped trees you've ever seen in your life, aren't they?
Perfect.
Yeah.
It's our cheap Christmas tree to shame. That's why we come here, to make it feel Christmas.
Absolutely, but they cut them to the exact height of the roof as well. So they are really, really perfectly made to fit each individual room. And they've themed every room. So on this tree, they've got kind of elephants and clockwork pieces. And that's because there's this famous kind of automaton clock over here in that room. We're just going into the kind of dining room, and it is beautiful. On the table, they've got this beautiful white peacock all made out of paper. It is probably 10 foot long. It is absolutely stunning, really beautiful, a real kind of centerpiece.
She was saying it hasn't been open for 3 years, the house, so it's quite exciting to come back.
Yeah.
Because we come every year.
Normally, yeah. You've only been able to do the grounds recently, but yeah, amazing. One thing to note, if you have got kids and you have a pram, you do have to leave it outside kind of near the entrance because there are stairs and I don't think there's any lifts. So you do have to leave prams inside, which is a bit annoying. We just finished the tour of the house. Did seem a bit short in comparison to previous years, didn't it?
Yeah, it did, and it could be just because of volunteers, and we're not sure.
Yeah, but definitely still worth doing, but it doesn't go through as many rooms. They've not got as many rooms decorated as there has been previous years. Still good, trees still absolutely beautiful as well.
And we're heading towards the stables. As you can see behind me, you can see they've lit the trees. There's like little lanterns around on this little trail, but excited to see what the stables are like.
Just come down to the stables area. It's really steep if you come through the kind of woodland path area, but you do get this amazing tree. We're just going to see what's down here. Here at the stables, there's always a really kind of varied selection of things to do and see. There's a cafe right down at the bottom end here. There's also this stables takeaway. I think that's sort of teas, coffees, there's maybe ice cream, sandwiches, sweet treats, that sort of thing. There's also got an exhibition. They quite often have exhibitions in this sort of left-hand side area called Immersed in Light. And this is here until the 22nd of January 2023. What do you think of this illuminated light trail so far?
I think it's okay. It's quite like some calm bits and then some musical bits, so it gives you a break instead of full-blown Christmas.
Yeah, and it's not all Christmas, is it? So it's classic, a lot of classical music, the lights sort of going in time with the music. So it's quite clever. So quite a long walk, so just keep that in mind. It is all fairly flat so far, but just keep it in mind that it is a good walk. Just as we were saying that it was perhaps not quite as sort of impressive as we would have hoped. We've just got to this amazing area with this huge mirror ball. and the reflections just go everywhere. You can see one on the side of Izzy's face at the minute. That is pretty impressive. It does look amazing. There's this lighting behind you, just one mirror ball really, and it just
simple, isn't it?
It illuminates the entire area with these kind of fairy, twinkly fairy lights. It's beautiful. You can see it behind you. It is amazing. It's so good.
Yeah, it's just so simple, and then when the music plays, it gives a different vibe.
You've got more interactive stuff. So this is like a keyboard on the floor, illuminated, and you walk on it and it plays musical notes. It's not very musical, admittedly, but it's, again, really good for kids. This is clever. They've got some interactive bits. You can tap this panel and it changes the colour of the lights. It's really clever. Again, just simple but effective. So that is our afternoon over here at Waddesdon for the illuminated light trails. What did you think?
Yeah, I think it's a good start to the Christmas season.
Yep.
I'm glad we've come, and that the house was open this year after 3 years, so it's good to look around.
Yeah, I think it's well worth coming here now, particularly because that house is open. So not only have you got the market and the light trails, but you can also have a look at all the Christmas decorations in the house. Those trees are beautiful. What did you think of the market?
Yeah, there's lots of like different stalls, so if you've got any Christmas presents you want to get, there's a wide variety.
Loads of choice, just your typical kind of Christmas market kind of stuff. Last of all, I guess the light trails. How did you find those?
Yeah, so at first I thought it was going to be quite static in the first half, and then you got that like big ending, which was really good.
Yeah, there's two sides. One kind of on the right hand side of the house as you're facing it. That's really impressive. That's where all the big kind of showpiece classical music based shows are, and then there's that Miss Alice's Drive where it's sort of a bit smaller scale with those school kid lanterns and things like that. Still worth going around, just that path was pretty heavy going on the pram.
And you can't see where you're going.
No, it's very dark. Overall, if you can come here, do. It's really worth it, particularly if you are a National Trust member, so you get in a lot cheaper. Otherwise, it is a bit pricey, but a lot of these kind of Christmas light trails are. So overall, a really good evening out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.